Skyview Carpentry, House and Barns. Alright, here we are in Palermo, and we are looking at the foundation for our new barn. Had to cut some of the woods out, had to put some fill in. Guys came by 2 days ago, put the footings in, and yesterday put in the freeze walls. And we are moving ahead. Got a big entrance right there, got some windows, gonna go in, other entrances, and some stalls. Things are moving. Good morning, everybody. What we're looking at this morning is our new barn site. And today the crane is here with some of the lumber anyway. We're going to unload it, stack it up. This is a timber frame type barn, not a 2x4, 2x6 constructed. It's like the old time barns that have the giant timbers. That's what we opted for. That's a big crane. Our contractor Scott King's down there with everybody, keeping things organized. So today is December 14th, 2012. Just unloading the timbers from the truck for the new barn. I believe he said this was all hemlock. Brand new wet stuff. Pretty efficient while one guy's unloading, the next guy's putting straps on for the next load. Good morning, everybody. This is the situation with the barn. We got the crane back in today. The fellas have been working hard in the snow and the rain to get it all together. Hey, there's a blue sky finally after like a week. First section is strapped on and ready to go. About 30 degrees this morning. I believe it's the 21st. Today's the first day of winter. Going up. Not a huge barn. It's a nice, cute little barn. Gonna have a hay loft in the upper part. Stalls. Also including water supply and electricity. I guess someone's got to climb up there to take those straps off to do the next one. Oh, these are all young guys. They climb around like monkeys probably. Okay, first section is up. They just got to support it. We'll show you the second section going up. We got a man way up there in the middle part with a very large mallet just adjusting things before they release the straps. Alright, this is the second section called a bent going up. First one is in place. They added some support structures to the first bent that they're going to tie right into the second one as it goes up. It's just a slow process, but way faster than they used to do it before the era of cranes. As it goes up, it's going to fit right into the bracings that have been attached to the first bent. So it's kind of a slow process of getting all of the pieces to match up. Right now the guys are in the center part of the second bent, just positioning the post. There's a concrete foundation area there. Okay, it looks like placement of the second bent. Just trying to line everything up. Everything fits into slots. Definitely need a giant mallet to put this thing together. Hey, there's one right there. Okay, this is the third bent going up. Crane is doing its job, lifting that thing right up into position. As you can see, the first two are up, supports are in, looking pretty solid now. Center post going in place before they set it down. As everything snaps together. Okay, number 3 is up. Just as usual, do some tweaking. But that is up and in place. Put in some more bracing and then go for number 4.
Starting to look like a barn. I had to pause because I had 4 turkeys on the loose. Had to go corral them, put them back in.
Good morning. It is December 4th, I believe. The fellows yesterday put the sheathing on the roof, both sides. I'll walk around the other way to get a better look. There are 3 openings on this side for skylights for some natural light. Let's take a look at the other side. Okay, here's the other side. Should be a tongue and groove type sheathing in preparation for a green metal roof. Today is February 9th, 2013, and we've got a blizzard. This is one of the biggest blizzards ever. And it really blew all night long. That's our new barn out there. Finally got the roof on just 2 days ago. We'll zoom in a little bit so you can see that. Here's the wind coming across the ridge. Gusts to 40 today. Okay, this is just a bunch of wild turkeys out on the ridge. A whole bunch of them out there. I think about 30 to 35. There's the lead. Here are the up-and-comers. Here's our completed barn. Sliding doors on the side, sliding doors on the front. This is the front of the barn, sliding doors. And a sliding door for the hayloft. Horseshoe door handles again. Very bright in the barn with 6 skylights. This is the feed room. To the right of it is just a place to put some tools and a wheelbarrow. We have 2 stalls. And more room for some sheep. This is looking right into one of the stalls. We have Dutch doors to the outside. Keep the horses in, but they can hang their heads out and look around. Nice sliding doors to close up this end. There's the second stall. Exactly the same setup. Vaulted ceiling. 6 beautiful skylights. Over to the left we have hayloft, accessible by the door out in the front.
Ain't no cover charge, just country boys and girls getting down on the farm. Oh, let's get down, y'all. Stay out of that hay.
Out around town all evening long, just hanging out with my friends and singing my song. Well, I'm feeling alright because it's Saturday night. Yes, this is Don.